Hello, I'm Calvin Robertson, the Father Engagement Unit.
I'm Benny Heron with the Father Engagement Unit.
Today we want to talk about men's health.
Hmm. Men's health and self-care.
Yes. So when we're talking about self-care, what does that mean for a man?
It's different for men. That's not necessarily a word that we would use to describe self-care. We don't necessarily use that terminology, but that's what it is. Self-care is a way of rejuvenating yourself, hitting the start over button, so to speak, so that you can be fully focused and present with your family and your friends.
So, but okay, we don't use the word self-care, but taking care of ourselves, how does that impact on our children? I mean,
I think it does definitely. How as we go, they go, and if they see us, if our children and our loved ones see us nurturing ourselves and taking care of ourselves in a healthy way, be it our diet, be it exercise, I think they only will fall suit.
okay. So what are one of the barriers that come along with this?
I mean, I think sometimes people think that you have to spend money to provide self care
Mm-hmm.
for yourself, time, but it can be something as simple as before you walk in the house, with your family, take 5 minutes and listen to your favorite song. Breathe, just be silent for a few minutes. So it doesn't have to be about money
Okay.
or time a lot of time.
So if you had a task for me, what would I do?
Something you could do, if I don't know what you like per se, but you could go shopping, you could meditate, you could get a massage, you could, you know, binge watch your favorite television show, go attend your favorite sporting event, whatever it looks like for you. It varies for the individual, but it's up to you to find that for yourself. What makes you happy? What gives you sort of that refuel? And it can be free.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. All right.